right, we're going to do population density. The formula is the number of people divided by the area of the land when you're looking for the population density of like a city or county or state. How many people live in that given area. All right, we got 430,000 people live in a 5-mile radius of a city's town hall. Find the population density in people per square mile. Okay, so we're using this formula here. Let's let population density be PD. Equals the number of people, 430,000, divided by the area of the land. Well, we need to come over to the side and find the area of the land. The area is pi r squared, remember? And the radius is 5, so I've got pi times 5 squared, which is 25 pi. Okay, so that's the exact answer. Let's see what we're talking about here, miles. So miles squared here. If I wanted to know what that is, 25 times pi is about 78.54. All right, but I'm just going to use that 25 pi there. All right, so I'm going to divide that. And one thing I want you to keep in mind is you may have to put parentheses around this, as if you don't have parentheses around it on this particular calculator, you'll get the wrong answer. So 430,000 people divided by parentheses 25 pi. In parentheses, 5,474.9 people. Well, you can't have 0.9 of a person, so 5,475. So that's approximately 5,475 people per square mile. Okay, now let's think about it differently. A region with a 3-mile radius has a population of about 6,195 people per square mile. So that is the population density. Find the number of people who live in that region. All right, let's go ahead and get that area. Area equals pi times r squared, so that's 3 squared, which is equal to 9 pi. All right, now the population density, PD, we already are told that we got 6,195 people for the population density. We're looking for how many people there are in all, so we can call that like X maybe, and then the area of the land is 9 pi. Okay, to solve for X, let's just multiply both sides by 9 pi. That would be the opposite, 9 pi. So we have X is approximately equal, and then 9 pi equals this, then we have to multiply by 6,195. And we're going to get 175,159.4. So we'll just leave it as 175,159. 175,159 people rounded off.